Air conditioning was fairly scarce. We couldn't find a very great supplier in air conditioning to supply and install. Availability of air conditionings from a reliable trade was a bit difficult, so HNC really filled that niche. He brought air conditioners to our units at the time frame he estimated at a great value. His products, he stood behind his products. He also installs his products, which to us was a huge service benefit that we could offer to our rental units as well as our condo units. He offered me specialized service in terms of door-to-door to my rental buildings, bringing the air conditioners in, supplying them, knowing what I needed, and bringing them door-to-door to my supers, and always having a supply. So if I did run out in the middle of the hot August, winter or summer, he was there and he had a stock for me. So Jordan knows his equipment, he knows what needs to be fixed, he's very dependable to them. We feel really confident in recommending him to our condo owners and having him service them. He supplies the air conditioner, he installs it, and he makes sure that the customers are satisfied, which in turn helps us as a recommendation for our condo owners. Absolutely happy. I wouldn't go to anybody else. Always rely on Jordan to supply our air conditioners, and we don't look around. We're satisfied. There's no reason to look around. The prices are very competitive and the service is excellent.